Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's video is about replacing this side panel and that piece of this 2019 Sprinter van. Right guys, I've got them panels on just to try them on, but it's been a lot of time, lot of hours just to make them fit like they are now. Lots of trimming of the new panels, because that panel goes in first, and I did trim that panel to go on because you will need to take this top section off to put this panel whole lot and the top section of that roof there. So that's not the option, and to put this in one piece you will probably need to take that off, which I've done that before, and you know, to take that off you need to take that off, to take that off you need to take that off, and it's like never ends. So I trim them off. They fit alright. They fit alright. Even the light is not bad. There's just a big gap there, which this light got a locating pin in there, which basically goes in there and tells me that post behind this light is too far back. So I'll need to take them panels off, pull this post forward, and we go from there. Right, look much better now. A few taps with the hammer on that panel, went back pretty easy. Gap looks even, top and bottom. Everything looks nice. I will try this door on, back door on, make sure it fits alright, the gap's alright, and I will probably get this top section in first, this piece, corner piece first, weld it in, then I'll get this side panel in. Okay guys, actually next day here, the glue is dry. It's basically glued down this side. It's all the way glued, a few spot weld tags glued across the top. And this section here is glued. A couple of spot welds just there, finishing welding there and getting ready for paint. Okay, try the door on and the light, it fits okay. Gap is perfect on the back. Gap on there is good. So let's get this thing painted. Job took 36 hours to complete, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.